What's up, guys? Welcome back to Casks-n-Que, where whiskey and barbecue meet. I'm your host, Justin Lloyd, and today we're going to do a Mexican spicy chicken sandwich that's inspired by Meat Church. Stick around. Hey, thanks for sticking around. If you don't mind, go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that bell. Burnfire Starter Company sent me a care package. They found me on TikTok. If you haven't found Casks-n-Que on TikTok, then go ahead and follow me. I'll put the link in the description below. So Burnfire Starter Company reached out to me. They were like, hey, would you want to try using some of our products? I said, heck, yeah, why not? Let's give it a shot. So, without further ado, let's see what we got here. Hey, that's pretty cool. I don't know how this works. Let's see. Burning instructions: place burn bag directly onto kindling. Light the burn bag on the bottom for best results, and the bag contains paraffin wax and wood pellets. And just like the package here says, this is not only for grills, but fire pits, campfires, and fireplaces. Burnfire Starter Company contains 4 burn bags, matches, burning instructions, and there's their website. Again, I'll leave that in the description box below. Really nice packaging. Very cool. I've never seen anything like this. Burn fire starter matches. All right, let's try one of these bags. All right, as you can see there, I have some charcoal in the blaze Kamado that I had in there from the last cook, and maybe a wood chunk or two. We're just gonna pile on top of that with some more royal oak lump charcoal. That'll do. That's one of the little bags, has a bunch of wood pellets in it, and so it says to burn from the bottom of the bag, so we're just going to stick it on down there. Get the charcoal positioned the way we want. There we go. Looks like that's going, so we'll wait for that to catch, and we'll be right back. Okay, so here's what we're going to need. Some chicken thighs, some pickled jalapeno peppers, sharp knife, a small saucepan, some Cholula hot sauce, and of course, the Gospel by Meat Church. A whole stick of butter, and some good old American cheese. Okay, so when I first saw this video on Meat Church on their YouTube channel, I was like, man, that sounds delicious, but then I started thinking about it. I was worried that the jalapenos might be a bit much, but since they're pickled, I think they're gonna be pretty good. So let's get to work. We are rolling with chicken thighs. You could use chicken breast apparently, but I prefer the chicken thighs. I think they're more flavorful, juicier. I'd be worried about chicken breast drying out. I got the boneless, skinless thighs. We'll have to do a little trimming here to get some of that fat off of these thighs. And we're gonna scrape some of this fat off because it may not come off just by cutting it. Like if I try to get under there, I'm afraid I'll lose some of the meat. So we're just gonna scrape, kind of a competition barbecue trick. There we go. See, get that fat off of there. Let's go ahead and square that up, kind of got a weird piece. Just trying to make these chicken thighs uniform. See, like that right there? Let's scrape that off, and then we'll be good to go. We'll do the same thing to all these. All right, now I got these chicken thighs trimmed up, and we're gonna get them in some marinade. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take our gallon Ziploc bag and our pickled jalapenos and get those chicken thighs in here in the marinade and let it go for 24 hours. Smells awesome already. We're just gonna dump this whole thing in there. Has carrots in there too, which I don't know why. We'll get that good and incorporated. And I'm gonna leave some air in here, not a whole lot, but some so I can move the chicken around and get all that marinade where it needs to be. Just kind of give it a toss like that. There we go. We'll put that in the fridge and be right back. All right, here's what we're looking like. Got those jalapenos going. That sauce is about ready. I'm gonna have to stir that stick of butter around just a little bit, and we're gonna start mopping that chicken here shortly. All right, now that sauce is ready to apply to the chicken, so we're gonna get that started. Just kind of drizzle it on there. Call it a mop sauce, but you don't really have to mop. And you can do this to your taste. You know, you don't have to cover this a whole lot, but I like mine kind of spicy. Might as well hit those jalapenos too while we're at it, right? It's not gonna hurt anything. You wanna get these chicken thighs to an internal temperature of at least 165. They have a lot of fat and they can take the heat. Man, this smells so good. I wish you could smell this. That flame's starting to come up and kind of kiss the bottom of the chicken. That sounds weird. And we'll do the same thing to the opposite side here once we get all these flipped over. Roll these around to get some char on the other side. Just hit the back side with that mop sauce. Those little charred bits on the chicken thighs are gonna be delicious. All right, we'll cover that up, let it go for a little while, and we'll be back. All right, let's check temperature on these guys. It's not ready yet. Let's keep getting some mop sauce on here, and we'll be right back. All right, these chicken thighs are ready for some cheese. We've reached an internal temperature of 170. And again, that is not too hot for a chicken thigh. It has a lot more fat, internal fat, than what a chicken breast does. So now it's time to apply our cheese on each little thigh. And I'm just rolling with American cheese. You can use sharp cheddar, you could use pepper jack, Swiss, whatever you want. I'm gonna keep it real simple today. I'm gonna get some hamburger buns and make a sandwich out of this. All right, let's get these chicken thighs off the grill. As you can see, that's nice and cheesy. What we got here is just a regular hamburger bun, and we're gonna throw that on the grill to get nice and toasty. All right, we got some mayonnaise here. I know there's a lot of Duke's fans out there, and I'm with you. I just didn't buy any, so we're gonna work with what we got. I have a toasted bun here, and all we're gonna do is keep this real simple. Just gonna put some mayo here. I like a little more than that. You can skip this part if you want. You can do ketchup, whatever you want to do, but I'm a mayo kind of guy. Let's take this cheesy chunk of goodness here. I kind of want to add that little jalapeno slice on there, but I'm going to keep it simple, just like they did on Meat Church. All right, let's give this guy a try. Yeah, so the jalapeno comes through, but it's not overpowering. It's almost a sweet flavor. The chicken has a great flavor, and that comes from the Cholula hot sauce mixed with that butter. You know, you put that mop on there, you get some crispy bits, and it's char grilled. It's amazing. You ought to try this. Simple, very inexpensive, and delicious. Hey, if you like what we're doing here at Casks-n-Que, go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that bell. It's gonna notify you whenever we upload new content, and it helps us out a lot, and we certainly appreciate you. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time.